दोबारा से बनानी पड़ेगी. How to write an overview paragraph for the line graphs or graph, we can say. We may get one line graph or two or three line graphs in one single graph. Okay, and don't forget to write this paragraph in the second paragraph only. We have to write an overview paragraph in the second paragraph. It should be 2 or 3 sentences, or we may write the sentence one bigger sentence, which is known as complex sentence. Okay, let's look at the example first. The example is average carbon dioxide CO2 emissions per person from 1967 to 2007. Here on the left side it is given CO2 emissions in metric tons from 0 to 12, and here years are 1967 to 2007. Here it is given for UK this kind of line they have using, and Sweden is dot dot, and Italy is the plain one, Portugal is the dot dot again, smaller dots. Okay, here we can find in the starting year 1967 UK was at maximum point and Portugal was at lowest point. Okay, they were producing less CO2 in 1967, and this was UK was at maximum point, at, or we can say highest point. And what the trend is, we can see trends are changing, like, or we can see there are significant changes in 2007 from 1967. This graph has been going down, but these two are Italy and Portugal, they are going up. It means they are producing more CO2 than these two lines. Here we can look at the example of this dotted one, Sweden. This from here to here it goes up and it's coming down. So these are the two major changes we can see. These two countries have reduced in producing CO2, and these two countries are producing, they have improved in CO2 emissions in the last 2007 year. How we will be writing this in overall paragraph? Let's look at this. Overall, UK recorded the highest CO2 emission output, whereas Portugal was at its lowest. As I told you, in 1967, UK was at maximum and Portugal was at its lowest. It is also noticeable that two countries like UK and Sweden has reduced their CO2, and inverse data was seen in Portugal during this period. What I told you, as I showed you, this is a noticeable. These two countries has reduced their CO2, and inverse data was seen in. It means these two countries, this country is having development in CO2 emissions as compared to 1961. Okay, in this way we have done this overall paragraph.